Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to stream with Windscribe VPN in 2026. If you want a more private streaming experience while using your favorite streaming services, this guide will help you get started step by step. First, open the Windscribe app on your computer, phone, or streaming device and sign in to your account. Next, make sure you have a stable internet connection before connecting to the VPN. Now browse the list of available VPN server locations and choose the server you want to use. Next, click the Connect button and wait a few moments until Windscribe shows that the VPN connection is active. Now open your preferred streaming service in your web browser or streaming app. Next, sign into your streaming account if you're prompted to do so. Now select the movie, TV show, or live stream you want to watch and start playback. If you notice buffering or slow speeds, disconnect and connect to a different nearby VPN server for better performance. Next, keep both Windscribe and your streaming app updated to improve compatibility and stability. Finally, when you're finished streaming, disconnect the VPN if you no longer need the secure connection. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to stream with Windscribe VPN. You can now enjoy a more private and secure streaming experience. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.